Good morning, YouTube. So it's almost 8:30 in the morning and I'm just like super excited because I got a package. I got a package. I'm gonna show you. So let's go check out what I got. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so I ordered some nail shelves and some macrame things. This came in a little bit smaller than I was expecting, but that's okay. So I got this to wipe down your pretty shiny things. I'm so happy with these. I saw them and I knew they were pretty. Look at that shine. Whoa. So shiny. I got the iridescent and I think I have 8. I bought the 6. It comes with little things here to put on your edges for the iridescent matching. You got your screws, put them in the walls, and it even comes with this cute little level so you can make sure everything's just right. Absolutely love it. If you need somewhere to store your nail stuff, anything, I definitely recommend these. So next, let's see what we got here. This was the macrame. I bought it to get stuff to make pretty trees of life and dream catchers or anything, circle. This was what it showed and I'm like, oh, that's perfect, that's good. I can make something with that circle. And this is the size of the circle. So I don't know what I'm gonna make with that, but I'll figure it out. And I got a bunch of rings. Definitely need some of those. I got 2 sizes, small and a little bigger, medium maybe. I got a bunch of little beads, all different kinds of sizes, a couple colors. These ones, oh, they're so cute. I love this little diamond thing. I got some sticks, which I thought were gonna be a lot longer, but that's okay. You can make some cute tiny mini things. I love mini things. Some cool hooks to hang your pretty little macrame plant things, whatever you make. And then some macrame cotton string. This one I am very happy with. Totally use all these beads. I can't wait to use these. Favorite color, love the red ones. You can paint them. You can add cool little things on them for people who like to paint.